Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make cool clone trails? I'll show you how using simple Canva tools. Click the Create button, then select Videos from the options. We'll be using a landscape video format for this example. You can see that our video has now been added and is ready for the next steps. Play the video and pause it at the desired frame in the middle. Once the video is paused, take a screenshot of the scene you want to capture. This allows you to get an exact still image easily. Take a screenshot of the video image by pressing the screenshot button. Once you have the image, proceed to the next step and add the screenshot to your project or document. Press Ctrl plus V on your keyboard to paste the image into Elements. The image will appear instantly in your project, ready for further editing. Select the image you want to use in this video. Click on the image to highlight it, then drag the corners to enlarge it to your desired size. Next, look for the background remover tool, usually labeled as BG Remover. Click on it to remove the background from your selected image, leaving only the main subject visible for your project. To play your audio file in reverse, first open the audio track in your editing software. Locate and select the entire audio clip you want to reverse. Next, find the Effects or Audio menu and choose the Reverse option. The software will process the change, allowing your audio to play backward from end to beginning, once complete. To add the freezing frame clone trail effect in Canva, follow the steps shown. Once your effect is ready, click the Share button in the top right corner. Choose Download from the drop-down menu. Select MP4 as the file type, then click the Download button again. Your video will be saved to your device as an MP4 file. Give the freeze frame clone trail effect a try in Canva. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tutorials.